Dear students, today we are going to see about the introduction of flexible drives. So already we have completed 5 units in design of transmission system. So now we revise the syllabus from unit number 1. So it is the introduction to flexible drives and design procedure. So first, flexible drives. See, belt drives, chain drives and wire ropes are called as flexible drives. So these drives are used to transmit power between one place to another place. So these drives are very simple in constructions and cost effective, and also it is a primitive elements for power transmission. So next, advantages and disadvantages of flexible drives. So flexible drives having more advantages. So first, the flexible drives can transmit power between longer distance comparing to the rigid drives. So rigid drives, in the sense, it is called as gate drives. All the gate drives are called as rigid drive. So next, it is a flexible drive, so it can absorb more shock and vibrations. Then the operation of the flexible drive is very smooth and silent. It provides the simple machine design, and also it is a comparatively cheaper means it is cost effective than rigid drives. Next one, disadvantages: more space is required for all the flexible drives comparing to the rigid drive, and velocity ratio is also very low. Then the power transmission is varies if the drive is overloaded. So these are the disadvantages of flexible drives. So first we see about belt drives. So belt drives, there are uh, four types of cross section in the belt drive. So first one round, next one V belt, next one flat, next one toothed belt drive. These are the four cross section of the belt drives. So in our syllabus, only two belt drives, V belt and flat belt, we are going to see in elaborate. So first, types of belt drives. There are four types of belt drive: open belt drive, crossed belt drive, quarter turn drive, and then drive with idler pulley. In open belt drive, both the pulleys rotated in the same direction. In crossed belt drive, one pulley is rotated on clockwise direction, another pulley is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. Quarter turn belt drive is used to transmit power between two perpendicular shafts. Next, drive with idler pulley. So it is used when the more number of output needed from the single input. So these are the types of belt drives. So next one, belt material. So there are n number of belt materials: leather belt, nylon core belt, rubber belt, cotton and canvas belt, belata belts, and rubber on fabric belt. So next, belt tensions. There are two types of tensions in the belt drive: slack side tension and tight side tensions. So see the diagram. It is clearly explains in the diagram. One side of the belt is tight side, and other side of the belt is slack side tension. Next one, some important terms in the design of belt. So first one is the law of belt. Law of belting means the axis of the belt and the axis of the pulley is lies on, it is coincide on same plane. So it is called as law of belting. So next one, belt grip. So belt grip means, so if belt moves from slack side to tight side, the tension is increased. Due to the tension, the elongation of the belt is occurred. Elongation of belt means the length of the belt is increased. It is called as grip. Next one, belt wiping. If the distance between two pulleys are increases, so the belt is automatically vibrate. So it is called as belt wiping. Belt slip. So belt slip, it is one of the losses in the belt drive. So the friction between the pulley and belt reduces. The belt moves without rotating the pulley, or pulley rotates without pulling the belt. So these are the important parameters in the belt drive. So next one, chain drive. Chain drive is also flexible drive. So chain drive is the intermediate between belt drive and gear drive. So it gives more major advantages than the belt and gear drive. So the velocity of the belt chain drive is 10, and then velocity ratio is 10, and then velocity is up to 25 meter per second. Power ratings also 125 kilowatt. So chain drives having more applications in transportations, like bicycles and automobiles, and also other machineries used the chain drive for power transmission. For example, woodworking machineries, agricultural machineries, textile machineries, and construction and material handling equipments. So next one, types of chain. There are two. Basically, there are two types of chain. First one, bushed chain and roller chain. In bushed chains, the bushes are used to connect the plates. In roller chains, the rollers are used to connect the plates instead of bushes. So based on arrangement, there are three types of chains: simplex chains, duplex chains, and triplex chain. So next one is the wire ropes. So wire rope, you all already know. The wire ropes are used to transmit power between longer distances. For example, rope car in Palani. So it is used to transmit power in the longer distance. So the wire rope diameter is should be 9.52 mm. If the diameter is reduces, it is called as cable or cords. The material for the wire rope is steel. So it transmit power between longer distances, more than 150 meters. Wire rope is also having more advantages, more applications. For example, it is used in the elevators, oil well drillings, cranes, hauling devices, conveyors, and suspension bridges, and also material handling equipments. So these are the simple introduction about the flexible drives. So next we are going to see about the design procedure for all the flexible drives. First one, belt drive. For a belt drive, for designing of belt drive, we need the following specifications, following data. So first one, power to be transmitted from the motor. Next one, speed of the drive, speed of the driving pulley as well as speed of the driven pulley, diameter of driving pulley and diameter of driven pulley, center distance, and transmission ratio. So these are the fundamental parameters we need to design any belt drive, flat belt or V belt. So next, design procedure for flat belt drive by using manufacturer's catalog. So all the formulas available in your design data book. Here just I mentioned the procedure, design procedure. So first step, selection of standard pulleys and design power calculation, selection of belt, calculating load ratings and required number of plies, selection of belt width, calculating the length of the belt, pulley dimensions, and with a number of arms and crowning. So next one, V belt, also manufacturer's catalog. All the formulas available in your design data book. So we already solved problems in our classroom itself. So we clearly mentioned the design procedure and page numbers in design data book. So you go through the design steps in this video. Next, design procedure for chain drive by using manufacturer catalog. So in chain drive also, all the problems, all the formulas available in your design data book. So first of types of chain, determine the types of chain, determination of transmission ratio, standard number of teeth on pinion and wheel sprocket, standard selection of standard pitch, calculation of bearing load, selection of chain, check for factor of safety, check for bearing stresses, calculation of actual length of chain, exact central distance, pitch diameter of the sprocket. So in this chain drive design, step number 7 and 8 is very important, because we are going to check the factor of safety and bearing stresses. So value should within the permissible limits. Next one, wire ropes by using manufacturer catalog. In wire ropes also, formulas available in your design data book. So here there are 11 procedures. We already solved the problem in our classroom itself. So go through the procedure: selection of wire rope type, calculation of design load, selection of wire rope diameter, calculation of sheave or drum diameter, selection of useful cross sectional area, calculation of wire diameter, selection of weight of the rope, calculation of effective load, calculation of factor of safety, calculation of number of wires, sheave dimensions. So these are the standard step procedure used for wire rope drives. So next video we are going to see about problems in each flexible drives. Flexible drive means flat belt, V belt, wire rope, and then chain drive. Thank you.